Hey guys, so I finally finished building my home defense AR, and I'm going to go through the parts with you. Starting with the upper, it is a Palmetto State Armory upper. It is 14.5 inches with a pinned flash hider to bring it to the legal 16. It is a lightweight profile barrel, so you can see after the gas block it still goes to a lightweight profile. I have an Enforce weapons light, 200 lumens. I got a Magpul MOE handguard with a forward grip. Really happy with this new Trijicon MRO that I got. Keep it on all the time. It's hard to see here. The dot. There we go. And then I have it on a 1/3 co-witness mount from Trijicon. Going back, I have a Troy Industries backup iron sight. I'm going to pull it up for you. It'll really show that 1/3 co-witness. Normally it's how it is, and then at 1/3 co-witness. I have a Spikes Tactical nickel boron bolt carry group. And I have a BCM gunfighter charging handle. The trigger is a Geisley SSA trigger. You can't see the little G there, that's fine. Another little Spikes Tactical trigger guard. I got the MOE K2 Plus grip. It's got that more vertical grip. It's just a PSA lower. I am in California, so I need a bullet button. I have a Zombie Killer ejection port cover. I'm not sure which buffer tube I have. I think it might be a Spikes Tactical, but then I got a CTR stock with the little extra ribs. Alright. So yeah, that's my home defense AR.